In this video, we're going to go through some basic built-in functions. First up, we have the min function, which takes as input some numbers and outputs the smallest one. What's the type of this result? Well, because it's a number, it's either an int or a float. And because this has a decimal point, it's certainly not an integer, and therefore it's a float. And we can check that using the type command. The next function we'll look at is the max function, which again takes in some numbers and outputs the largest one, in this case 16. And what's the type of 16? Well, there's no decimal point, it's an integer. Notice that both min and max can take a mixture of floats and ints, and the type of the returned value will always be the type of the biggest or smallest number. Let's take a look at the absolute value function in Python, which is just called abs. And again, because 5.2 has a fractional part, it's a float. And finally, we'll look at the power function or exponentiation function, which takes as input two numbers and raises the first number to the power of the second number. So this function outputs 2 to the power of 3, or 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And again, what's the type of 8? 8 is a plain old integer, so this has type int. Awesome.